So friends, this is my computer hardware series video, and today I am teach you input output devices on motherboard and what is the input output. So watch my first videos and to all of video. So I'm already created a lot of video and my all video part was here, and which very important for previous video watch, either you cannot understand my related videos. Okay, so this is very important for you. I can uh, new start this video. Okay, so you must understand previous video because all my videos depend on one by one. Okay, so my last previous video I am told you basic computer parts related, and it is very good for you, and computer types of devices and related some give information. So today I'm discuss input output and internet device on motherboard, how is work it and how system start. So first understand and first know about what is the input output in on motherboard. So let's start. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So while this type online Nettech discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on it, and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist, and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video, so you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options, and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system. You can control using this is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So you can see just here, this is a chart of very simple your motherboard related video in my motherboard. So I'm this already some very small and system showing you this device band on motherboard with small IC chips, work with special motherboard design and engineering process system work. So what is a device? Everything a device band on motherboard, very small IC chips, and work with special motherboard. I will discuss one by one motherboard chapter time. I will continue, but today I'm just showing only for overview time. So it is a designing engineering processing system. So first understand the super input output. What is a super input output? And understand. So first understand input. What is the input? So I'm moving mouse. I'm going right side, left side. It is our input. Okay. I'm write not open notepad file and enter paragraph anything. Okay, write anything, essay, anything, reporting, anything, poem. So it is one type of my input data. So this is keyboard is input technology. Input technology means you send your data in your motherboard computer. Okay, but what is the output? So speaker, you can see the speaker coming for signal from computer, and your any song, any your song with other side, you can see just your different device, your computer, your display, you can see just your LED is it is showing your data. Okay, so it is one type of output devices. Okay, so what happened with this motherboard? So input going inside the south bridge, going north bridge, and going to RAM, and RAM to going to CPU process, and CPU after process going to north bridge to high pressure AGP and PCI expansion short to other side. Okay, so what is this type created in the system? Just I'm going to give an example, one type of because everything signal going first your input output related port. Okay, means your pin. So input output is one type of every side system. Okay, so I will discuss one type of what is the input device. Input device means you send input signal for process and control your computer. Okay, so what is a keyboard? Keyboard you write anything, your paragraph, anything writing your data. So it is an input because you are send this input signal your computer. Mouse is same work because I am sending everything, control everything. Why? Because I am going to left side. So computer already observe and already program created by this sensor computer signal send every milliseconds, sending mouse side. Okay, left right side anything you can see just here. So it is a mouse. Scanner, what is scanner? Scanner I'm already told you. So what is a scanner? Scanner is one type of scan your page, scan your document, and you can change, you can showing your data. Mic, you can listen to me my this video. So this my sound record by mic. So mic is one type device send everything, my sound, my everything sound quality by mic through mic device. Camera is one type of sending only your input signal. It is a one type of computer in your computer. So mic is one type of and camera type one type of input signal. Okay, what is the output? Output device means computer CPU process. Okay, central processing unit. This unit after send outside signal, that is the output signal. Okay, outside signal, that is the outside signal. So what is how many type? So monitor display. You can see just here your display. So you are watching in your videos, anything or my watch video. You are watching computer, Android device, any side. So your screen is one type of output system, output your part of device. Okay, speaker, you are listening song, and your home theater is one type of speaker. So it is a computer output signal. What is a printer? Printer is one type of print. Okay, print out. So you can you print your document, you print your. So how you send your signal from your computer to printer? It is a going signal from your computer. It is a out. It is called a output signal. So it is a output devices, and lot of extra available output devices. Third is a storage device. What is a storage device? Storage means storage data. Storage device means this type device storage data and save with you can access anytime. So you save data anything any system time. So hard disk is one type of permanent storage devices. What is a hard disk? I will discuss this type. You can see just here hard disk. And hard disks have save your file, save your data, save your computer in different ways. Your messages, your using one type of some information related mail, email ID, and other any. So hard everything data you are it is a hard disk. You power off your computer and start again. So how these are possible? These again showing your data at a same file, same data. So it is important for you start by storage devices, hard disk. Okay. RAM. What is a RAM? RAM is temporary storage data. RAM storage device, but is temporary data till continue power on, and you are shut down computer, power of computer. So automatically remove everything data from RAM. Okay. USB drive means pen drive. Okay. Flash drive you can see, yes. Okay. So USB drive is one type of storage device. USB storage device inside different ways you can save folder files and different type available in your computer. Some very important data, and you share your devices. So it is a USB drive. Okay. Internet and network device. What is the internet and network devices? Network device means these connect internet and help making network, as you need this type device work only for network. So this is a one type of internet network devices only for internet access. Network create in your own network using network devices. So how many type of network devices? You can see just hubs, switch, routers, wireless router, network adapter, USB network adapter. Okay. So hub, switch, router, wireless router. I will discuss in network series what is a hub, what is a switches, what is a router. One by one discuss in network series inside. Okay. So this is one type of create for network related devices. Okay. Fifth is very important. Input and output both side work here. Okay. Main or important devices, input output devices. This type this device type using a two type work, input and output both side working signal with user network software. Okay. So what is a CPU, central processing unit. Central processing unit means this is the main computer of brain, main computer brain, and need work with process work for input and going to output signal. So it is a CPU called input output both side work. IC, simple integrated circuit, very small chip. Okay. So it is a one type of north bridge, south bridge, extra one type of input output signal. Okay. Satellite, you understand already. Satellite, know, every people know about satellite. So what is satellite? Satellite one type of input and output devices. Okay. One type of input going one side going input signal, and signal broadcast, signal send other side output data. So it is a very satellite one type of wireless receiver. Wireless receiver, my USB, you can see just here this type wireless system. So USB related here related this wireless receiver. Okay. So next time I will continue hardware parts and devices. Very important. Everything computer know about hardware related courses, and these all of my video very basic and general purpose computer hardware series video. So this video after one by one create only hardware parts, and this next video very important for you. Okay. So in next video I will discuss hardware parts and devices, and how many type we are discuss in this series hardware parts and related, how working computer hardware related, everything computer hardware courses are very important on this system. Okay. So I will discuss in next time. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day, because this video very long and I will discuss next time hardware parts and devices. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue this video. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button. Click on like button. Click on bell icon. You must click on bell icon. Either YouTube not send my new video upload notifications. Okay. So thank you. So thank you. Video. Thanks for watching my video. And any question, so you can comment me. And any problem, so you can uh, comment and you will not understand my video, so again watch my video. Okay, so next time I will continue hardware parts related video. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.